Check out this Alpine White 04 BMW X3 2.5i, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an exceptional 25 miles to the gallon on this great SUV with features like tonneau cover, leather upholstery, keyless entry, heated seats, fold-down rear seat, dual power seats, alloy wheels, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry system, with hill descent control, rear bench seat, rear spoiler, heated outside mirrors, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 04 BMW X3. See us at Gateway Auto and Truck today.